Desktop semi-automatic machine for bottling liquids in bottles of 5 to 10 liters. Fields of application for filling food and chemical substances, paints and varnishes for petrochemical production and building materials. The weight is 50 kilograms. This model uses a pneumatic piston pump dispenser and control panel. The automatic, economical, and easy-to-operate machine is used in the medical, food and chemical industries. Full service installation, training, startup, repair. Instructions for use in English and Russian. The machine conforms to GMP standard. We provide detailed instructions for setting up this model of machine for bottling liquids. The machine is tested and inspected at our factory before delivery. Complete set and working ability is guaranteed. Experienced specialists Minipress company to help you choose the right model of equipment. Our catalog Minipress.ru, one of the most authoritative in the pharmaceutical industry. Daily consultant answers questions in WhatsApp at +7 985 364 3808. You can also send a request to email info@minipress.ru. We maintain a stock of parts and consumables. The price is inclusive of customs fees in Russia and delivery to the buyer's city. Pneumatic fluid dispenser DZ-44. Type pneumatic piston dosing unit, filling volume 55,000 milliliters, applicable pressure 0.40.9 megapascal, filling accuracy ±0.5 to 1%, production capacity 250 doses per minute, applicable tolerance cubic meter minutes greater than or equal to 0.1, air pressure 0.40, 6 megapascal, power 150 watts, power supply 220 volts, 50 Hz. External dimensions 1160 mm by 550 mm by 335 mm, package size 1500 by 450 by 500 mm, weight 38 kilograms, weight with packaging 60 kilograms.
RomanTsibulsky will answer all of your questions. Moscow phone +7 495 364 3808. Minsk phone +375 29 308 0000.
Hello, my name is RomanTsibulsky. I'm the founder and the owner of the pharmaceutical equipment catalog Minipress.ru. For the last 17 years, I've been making sure that our clients make the right choice, get everything delivered on time, and have no problems with customs clearance. Every year, I participate in pharmaceutical equipment expositions worldwide in order to pick new, better quality models to include in my catalog. In my catalog, you can find tablet press machines, blister packaging machines, coating machines, packaging and production equipment, a wide range of laboratory machines, as well as compact desktop units to start your pharmaceutical business. In any case, if you don't come across what you are looking for, just let me know, and I'll help you find the best options. I provide my clients not only with information about equipment, but also about different technologies. I'm really good at that, as I have a great deal of my own and my clients' experience here. In my catalog, you'll find different types of equipment from China, India, Taiwan, Korea, and Europe. My team will assist you in choosing the right model, purchasing it, getting it delivered, and customs clearing of any equipment to Russia. You can contact me every day, either by telephone, Skype, or email. I'm here to help you choose any pharmaceutical equipment, making use of all my experience and knowledge. I'll be happy to see you among my clients.